adjusting the air regulator so that
Ano ba pala?
the air enter the barrel. Now, a non-luminous flame is produced, the suitable flame for heating.
Namatay! So fail!
Huwag na masyadong i-open ang areas.
Light lang, light. Ulit.
Alis mo ang kamay mo para mamamatay ka.
I always remember that. Like if I were there, I want to be something. Lagi nitin ko ang malayo na
A non-luminous flame.
Red piece of cardboard and gently pressed at the center of the non-luminous flame, tying one end at the center of the top of the barrel, and hold it for a few minutes until the cardboard begins to burn.
Remove it at once. Where's the cardboard?
Huwag masyadong ilaw sa barrel.
Observe.
Which part of the cardboard burns first?
Next procedure.
Just close the gas pipe.
Wait ako na. First, Jo.
Pamatay
na.
Ayan.